Hi, my name is Dr. Christina Rahm. Now we have the Bill Coo line, which is formulated specifically for pets. I love pets. I grew up on a farm and I was raised around animals, and I truly fell in love with the animals we have, whether it was a mouse or it was a horse or a dog or a cat. And so for me, they're part of our lives and they're an important part of our lives. If you look at the world and the countries that progress and that are healthy, they take care of their animals and their younger generation and their older generation. Because when someone's helpless or they don't have the same way of communicating, they're reliant on us to take care of them. They can't tell us when they're sick. They can't speak to us the same way we communicate. I wanted to make sure that we were taking care of our own pets. I had a dog named Chloe that I loved so much, and when she was about 7 years old, they wanted to put her down. I formulated a product that she was given in her water morning and night, and I did greens in her food. At the time, Chloe was supposed to be put under, but instead she lived to be 14 years old. I loved that dog so much, and I want everyone to have the same opportunities that Chloe had. She was diagnosed with cancer. She had a lot of different issues, but she kept living a long life. Animals understand what we're doing and saying. They just can't communicate to us the right way. We owe it to our pets to take care of them. I truly believe that. Bill Coo is a full line that helps clean the inside of the animals and then support the animals in their health. I don't know if people know this, but there's pollution, there's toxins, there's environmental factors like pesticide and GMOs that are all around animals. Animals have a higher risk for cancer because they're around all this. So we owe it to our pets to take care of them. At DRC Ventures and at Root, we care about people, we care about the environment, and we care about animals. So it was natural for us to create a natural line that would help animals clean, protect, and provide a barrier so that they have the healthiest and longest life possible. We can't claim to cure anything, but we do claim to give support to animals throughout the world, give them the best life possible through our product line. Stay tuned because we have a lot to offer through Bill Coo.